Welcome to Ever Blessed Travels, where every step takes you deeper into the real Jamaica. From secret rivers to street-side legends, we go where the vibes are loud, the food is fire, and the stories are unforgettable. This is Jamaica, like you've never seen it.
They have a exit on the entrance. Yeah.
Is it too long when I drive around the side? Eh?
Yeah.
Don't even remember saying we can't drive here, so.
Yeah.
I'm going to haul away to free.
So down there, they have again an exit and an entrance to the toll. Exit and entrance to the toll, they also now they re-energize themselves. The exit and entrance. The toll. Some people today we are with Father and Son lifestyle.
Father and Son in the building, you know?
Yeah.
Again.
Yes, again.
You know every time we're going to link up with what? Ever Blessed.
Yes.
That was surprise for you, know.
Yeah, that again.
That again.
That again. Some people we are taking on road.
Hey.
We are taking on road
Yeah,
in a different fashion.
Yeah, man, we are taking on road, man.
Yeah.
A different program with them for the idea.
Me about the one in me people. Me about the one in. They have a fishing rod in the back of the truck, in the van here.
Yeah, might want to.
Yeah, Alright, here my people say welcome to Clarendon. And Clarendon
Start right here.
starts right here. Freetown.
Mm-hmm.
So my people, welcome to another thing. And today, I'll be taking you on a journey. Your father lifestyle, they are not. So they'll see you later on. Today, when you put this through, this is a celebration mode. So, if you know the thing me nice before, you listen out today, no, they're nice to me sometimes. Jamaica walk by within your place.
Yes, I.
Father and Son lifestyle.
Yeah, man, Jamaica walk by. Big up yourself. You see the video you jump with me and you. Hey,
Yeah.
right now, people just at Hawks about Father and Son lifestyle.
Yeah, you know me.
Even the Mountain View one,
Yeah.
they talk about it hard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so big up yourself again now walk by.
Oh, you know me.
Up in the town.
You see it.
Yeah, man.
So we're up on South River Road, my people. That's how we have to take it on. Brawling today.
Yeah, man, brawling, bro.
Yeah, that's all. So this year, my people, is where, so you know, so this year is where they dock them boat. This year, come. There you go. So then just, when them guys see them just gonna come dock them boat right there, so. So when they're ready, then just come and collect them and come out of the business out. They're rich. They like to live their life.
Rich lifestyle. Yeah, rich, you know.
Yeah.
You just have a look of money, you know, so you want to go up on your yacht.
Yeah.
And you do your local thing, you understand?
Yeah. Only for them.
Yeah, man, you're a comfort that.
So all that done from the Salt River Road, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're not too far away from Salt River now, my people. So stay tuned. I'll show you one little piece of Salt River. See? My people, welcome to Salt River. Yeah, man. So this area, my people, is the parking lot for Salt River. So Salt River, to my knowledge, my people, is where you can come and you can have a lot of fun. People come and enjoy themselves, them bathe inside of the water there. Yeah, man, Salt River. So just show you as much as we can show you today. So people bathing all here. And them specialize in seafood. So you can come to this area and you get your seafood. Alright, that's the thing come. What go on, my general? Yeah, man. How about artists about the place? We are look for artists bus on the channel and Ever Blessed Travels I got you. YouTube I got you. Okay. Yeah, man. So you say like you have cool things in us. Alright, we'll just walk through a little bit. What go? This is a vlog.
The vlog?
Yeah. Ever Blessed Travels. The artist? The artist?
Yeah, I can freestyle.
Yeah, freestyle me here. Freestyle something here.
White folks, prejudice, to the front, all black. You turn left in the sunny, what you call that? 18 coming for a skater, 4 black. 10 years of probation, Travis said it's all black. 30 public housing, now we kings. I hit that. Alright. Short and spicy. Where's some G? You ready for Rising Star? man, ready for Rising Star. So what you sell to the G? Yeah, showcase the place. You're a YouTuber.
By YouTube, and we are walk through, and we are showcase the place there. Some people. Oh, so you say what you say? What you have ready now? All right. So if somebody watch the video and decide to them come at Salt River, who would them come look for?
I look for you.
Look for what? Meeting you name yourself as the brownie. Alright, so we are walking over people, a showcase. So the beauty. This restaurant is nice. You got yourself a yeah.
Lord my God,
So this is
now has killed me.
I'll be highlighting to you my people that this Salt River that you are here has a lot of rich history where you have this water is coming from in the hills there. And where you see those people on that side here is a mineral. Big up yourself, alright. So we're showcasing. Close in that area, water runs from underneath the road. Did you know that water runs from the hill come through the rock here? And did you also know that if you come early in the morning and you look, you can see the pile from the water underneath that right there?
You see there? Catch it now?
Pile? You look high? Yeah, man, but
and unto the Lord I made supplication.
some people I'm gonna be just demonstrating to you as to what I was talking about. This is how this area is developed, you know? So water runs from the hill
Shall it declare thy truth,
and come all the way down and people come inside and enjoy
and
themselves.
have mercy upon me.
Princess, how you doing
Be
today?
thou my helper.
My YouTuber got you.
Have turned for me
I'm
my
a YouTuber
mourning
doing a
into
vlog. You want to say
dancing.
hi to my
Thou
vlog?
hast put off my sackcloth and girded me with gladness.
You want to check out Ever Blessed Travels? Ever Blessed
And will my
Travels?
glory may sing praise to thee,
Ever Blessed
and not
Travels.
be
Ever Blessed
silent.
Travel.
O Lord my God, I
Father,
will
Son,
give
lifestyle.
thanks unto thee
You see
forever.
our showcase today. So, some people, this is it.
Psalm 31.
Good morning. How you guys doing? You enjoying this water here? You enjoying the water here?
Psalm of David.
Ah,
In thee, O Lord.
yeah. So can you see Highland there as we speak?
Deliver me in thy righteousness.
You have to come close.
Yeah.
But you're on the right spot.
Dear to me.
Yeah.
Deliver me,
Your water coming from that hill and come this way. Yes, I see.
See that?
Yeah. So it's a mineral water, my people. But
thy name safely in me and guide me.
so people come to this area and have fun.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah. So pick up yourself, my dear. We're YouTubers who name Ever Blessed Travels and father son lifestyle I got you.
Alright.
Me see Princess I do a nice exercise there. Yeah, man. Twist your body, mommy. Twist your body. Nice exercise, Princess. But I was told that one visit won't do it for you. You have to do several visits, all right? All right. All right. So where did it for the thing I did? Yeah, July. So that rope there is called Tarzan rope. They climb. Yeah, Vijay. I want to give a slap with it. Alright, some people, you see them youngsters there, a Tarzan there. So they will climb all the way up and there. A Tarzan, they call it. Alright, what's your name, Blue? What's your name, Blue? Go. A Tarzan down there? Alright. Hello, what you there, no? It's a lot of people. Yeah. Oh, you're good one, that. So we go. Yeah.
And from them that persecute me.
So what does he show you the bit Yeah, man, relaxing, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We are YouTubers.
He's a YouTuber.
Yeah, Ever Blessed Travels father and son lifestyle.
Gosh, yeah, I got it's two women in there, two of my daughters in there. I'm not getting relaxed today, my man.
Oh, you want to say hi to my vlog?
I'll say what's up. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Which country you from?
I'm from America, brother.
Okay, so first time here?
Yeah.
You need to take some more people come here and enjoy this. Bro, you get yourself wet.
I did get in the water though.
You got?
I did get in the water. I did get in the water. You cut me some slack. I did get in the. I'm not getting all the way in there.
So now you're on the protective mood.
Yeah, I'm gonna protect
Well, he come from all the way from America, come to Jamaica to enjoy himself.
That is beautiful.
He said, "Why your daughter is in the river?"
Yeah, both my daughter,
Both the daughter.
Yeah.
Both my little girls over there.
Welcome to Jamaica, my brother. And
Welcome, man.
I
Welcome,
appreciate
man.
you.
Yeah, man.
Welcome.
Yes.
Remember, check us out.
Ever Blessed Travels.
Ever blessed?
Father and son lifestyle.
Ever blessed
Yeah.
travels.
You can take a picture if you want, my brother.
Yeah,
I got you. I got you.
Yeah, man.
That
And
is-
father and son lifestyle.
Father and son lifestyle. Easy to remember. Yes.
I got you.
Yeah, you subscribe and you see how you enjoy yourself in Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah. That is.
Tapping in now, so I can see myself.
Yes, my brother.
All right.
No,
Thank you
tomorrow,
very
tomorrow. We upload tomorrow.
Uploading tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay.
All right.
I'm on duty now.
Big up yourself, Richard. Yeah. All right. That's how you go.
Alright,
So, yeah.
Yeah, man. That's the love over there.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Daddy. Yeah, man. Remember to check out the vlog on Ever Blessed Travels. Father and son lifestyle. Easy to remember. Yeah, man. And take Princess couple mornings. And after that, you might have to run away from home. All right. So we just walk through this area is set up nice. So this is where we can come and hard away, fish and have a drink and all the things. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Restaurant and bar.
You see it?
Yeah, man. You come to your fried fish
Yeah.
festival.
Yeah.
Fried chicken and your soup.
Oh, you mean scoop? I wonder if I sip them do a soup. All right. So, all right. So, we showcase your place there.
Yeah, soup ready? Fish soup? Yeah, man. How much is it?
I drink one. Yeah, man. I drink one right now. So,
Can't come flat.
yeah, man. Yeah, that's how it. So we're gonna be by my people. We'll be having fish soup. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Cool and nice. Yeah, relaxing.
The more I want cup of the soup.
Yeah. Yeah. So my people, if you don't want to be,
Alright.
if you want to be as excited as Ever Blessed Travels, this is the place to be. Yeah, this is it, you know. So you have your them cook with one whole heap of wood. I would then use and fry them fish. Father and son lifestyle and here when me say that. That's why we have problem. Me just say I would then use and fry fish then.
What are you using?
Who would then use fry fish? Yeah, me don't know where you see, but me know where me see. All right, and they have a nice bar here, so we can relax. And we have a nice bartender inside this that go subscribe to Ever Blessed Travels. Don't the princess? She says she not handsome. And I see a princess come and say, what is up with the vlog? She does a pop star. What going Queen? She named Queen or hard something like that. The girl named Queen. How you doing today? Yes, you enjoying yourself here? Yeah.
What's one thing?
Yeah. My vlog is Ever Blessed Travels. I'm a YouTuber, I go by the name Ever Blessed Travels. You can check me out. And you see how you're cool, you're pretty by your chest. Alright. That's how I think. Come, we are cheers, come. Come, princess, come cheers with Ever Blessed. Cheers with him and come. Cheers with him and come. My cheers, my people. I made the princess that cheers. With us having soup together at Salt River. That is it, my princess. This is it.
More than 9 years with an air of a broken heart, and take that with you right here.
Definitely their marriage has taken its toll.
Here, the ocean of the life.
People, we are on this spot of ground, new development. This is where you can get your camping. I'm going to say, birthday party, 26th of July. We are showcasing the one, a blast and dance, so we can stay tuned to that. Do what? Oh, so we're there, people there. With some. Oh, you mean? I want going over there, sir. Some people say, go over the place, some people. We have a journey go over there. And me have me fishing rod. I miss a fish in the water. I fish me up on the water, yeah. I miss a fish in this one. And the breeze nice over here, so father and son. I sitting there, so I don't know who tell them so they can put it down, so. They're not afraid of me. They're not afraid of me. So it's a beauty spot, my people. You know, one place way around one part. Yeah. I want to find something for what though. So here I am, my people, if you one more time, we are relaxed. Cool spot of crowd. Nice area. We have Kirky Outdoor Living and we have Jamaica Adventures. This and we have the General this on the two Sharafim name. So we are stay tuned. And what does I say, my people? That I am today in the celebration mode. I'm gonna say, reveal this to you, that 6,000 of you have subscribed to Everblessed Travels. I am saying to you, I appreciate you, my people, for your continued support to Everblessed Travels. Yeah, man. You make me, my people, you've been supporting Everblessed Travels, and I'm so proud of you guys. So happy that you find it in your heart, find me interesting and want to support Everblessed Travels. I say, big up to you. One and all, near and far, wherever you supported from Everblessed Travels. Appreciate Cha-cha. That right. So we are going to stay tuned and we are going to link up with them two wild people there. Them are hunters. I mean, know where them are back up over there, some people. Them are make a trap fish them. Who not make trap fish them or what? So where they coming from? They coming from which end? Which end they coming from? Which end the fish them come from? So they're making a trap. So I don't know how they're gonna work out that. But I wanna me people not care now close to jump off into the water, yeah. However blessed to do that.
Oh, you reach your supply, brother. I robbed you the rich man.
No, it was halfway intentional.
Halfway.
It was halfway intentional. So which? Do you think? No man. Oh, me just get it now.
I understand. Just buy some more space and that them.
Oh, we can catch one of them one today.
Yesterday we mash up. On Sunday we mash one night with the young.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have 4 o'clock anyway.
Yeah. Some of people, then 2 man them a hunter, you know, we can't do like them, you know. my people who don't know, don't ever bless as travelers, you see. We travel and make up nice pan road. So we, yeah. Yeah man, that's how we come down. Some of people.
Yeah.
See nice man on my people.
Hey people that know Kirky Outdoor Living.
Yes.
I meet one of my crazy brother. Ever blessed.
I mean, my time people.
Yeah, my people. Don't you mad thing, checking an epic thing today. And who we have here? Father and son. And now Jamaica Adventure. Yeah. A normal thing, people.
Ever blessed for the second time, is it?
Yeah.
It's a wedding like a farmer.
You're not funny already. You're not funny already. You're too much.
190 bucks. Mr. T. Not normal.
A cool spot, so you know.
Yeah, man.
Me have a
good one little secret.
Yeah.
The brother there a while ago say, boy, he will come off at 4 from what take us. I tell him, if you just relax, because he say, why? I say, I know why you going to the water, brother. He say, no. I say, because I can't go, I know why you going.
Yeah.
But I can't change that clothes.
Yeah.
That bad, don't?
But I want to tell you something, you still not see nothing yet.
Oh.
One lady come here with her husband. And she say, husband, you have any shots in the beef?
Yeah.
And before he done say no, she chuck her off and one dive out the whole road.
Yeah, because I could cool out under this
No, make the water nice and nice, cool and refreshing.
I'll honest with the water.
6 foot.
Come out.
I didn't look, it don't look 6 foot.
I'll honest about 5 and
Yeah.
It don't look 6 foot.
On at the back.
When you gotta see and you dive sometimes, you jump up in some water, unexpected cover, you fully cover.
Oh, cha.
I was about 6 foot of water. By looks.
Yes, man.
Some people.
So peeps, Remember, you outside again, we do style, they don't know catch and cook today, yeah?
You see?
Yeah. And
Everybody
everybody get none, he can't get none.
Cheese and peas.
Can't get none.
Sorry. No, hold on there. You couldn't deal with traveler there. You couldn't deal with traveler there yet.
Why?
You couldn't deal with traveler there yet.
Why?
You couldn't deal with traveler there yet.
One blood and son. One blood. You agree with me, man? Where you walk? You walk with the rod.
I'm a fisherman already.
Walk with my fishing rod. I now left it enough.
I know, so I'm sorry for me. I want extra one I carry. Not sure me not some I carry. I
feel one, man.
I feel one.
I'm going like imagine.
I don't feel one to that. I want to that.
So, Jamaica.
Dash him off in there. Dash him off in there. Dash him off in there. Hold him, soldier. Hold him. Dash him off in there, soldier. Dash him off in there. Dash him off. Dash him off, soldier. Dash him off in there, soldier. Dash him off in there. Dash him off in there. Dash it. You can't get out of the water there. You want two more somebody like you.
Yeah, I saw it up. Video. Yeah, man, so Jamaica adventure there, so I rig up all the line, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
So you line them a rig up. Yes.
We are fishing for our food. We are fishing for our food.
Cooking him today, understand?
Catch and cook.
Yeah, man.
Fish at the top.
Yeah.
Circle can lower part.
Okay, I saw you do it. Me see next one.
Same
So we can catch in the river.
So me I send this to you now. You not rig you for me no catch no fish.
Yeah, catch fish, man.
Let me go see you, sir. If you not eat, we not eat.
Me just want to know.
If you not catch none on the rod, you have to jump off and catch one with that. You must catch something. You have to jump off. If you not catch up on the rod, you have to jump off.
No can't do that. So me just look for you, so some people. I say fish, I saw they rig up and we all catch fish now. And later on, now see we are scrape them. And now see we flip in the pattern.
Yes, man. And I know, man. But how do you there with how do you live in Turkey? I know, tell us something I cook. If you forget, I catch a tree and cook you up.
And top threaten me, man. Top threaten me. Top threaten me. You know, see me no hunter.
No, you're on me. Hold on. Me and you are spar. One friend look out for a friend. And not say go. You can't say you're hunter for your spar with Kirky outdoor living.
All right, I'm here. You're loud and clear.
All right,
you go full.
All right, and next thing me head not that tough.
Why not the line?
You catch fish. So if you're not catching, if you're not catching, what go on?
And someone out there we come talk about yo. Wipe on the fish. A fish me go catch.
No, the thing they
fish me go catch.
You see you. Leg off a young boy them sitting there. You see a old boy. You see a old boy. Leg off a young boy sitting there, man.
Yeah, man, I leg off fight, man.
Yeah.
Winston kind of big up yourself, cause
I pass that.
Yeah, man, I Winston, but me have this man.
Yeah, man. Winston I go on.
Yeah, man, I Winston, man.
Yeah, man, love and unity.
And you too.
No, me subscribe to man.
Okay. And you too. Yeah, Winston too.
Yeah, man, Winston.
Well, me know Winston. Yeah, man, big up yourself.
We all know, you know everybody boss here. That's check in. That is the love, you know.
So we say Winston, I popular guy today.
Yeah, Winston.
So you do jam Houston.
Jam Houston, then one general, one family,
yeah,
one brother.
Them,
yeah, man, big up right family adventure and Chevy Nation. The normal thing, you know me I say people?
Me always say Chevy and Vice family, yes. I always say
Then they never cut you.
Me see full wildlife, yes. All of a sudden today, you want to go on?
No, man, so we are going as a surprise, say celebrate the 6K.
Yeah, tell him.
Full wildlife, no make it happen again, as long as me there.
Yeah, when you're on the road. Yeah, full wildlife, you don't know you go already. Yeah, man, adventure in the traffic, you don't know you go.
See him, sir.
Yeah, Dream Island.
See him, sir.
No normal thing, you know. People,
Mark himself.
Yes.
Cameron family.
Yeah.
Evie.
I go tell you, say. Me I tell you, say. A one family. Yeah. And who not like it, do something about it. Cause we not change.
One army.
You see.
One army.
Yeah.
War.
Yes. So who not travel, them a do hunting.
Yeah.
So something a go on. The vibes not change.
But people know him as a traveler. I mean, I tell you, him gonna be a traveler, hunting all round. Him gonna be all round, remember that.
And the reason why he said that is because he knows I'm not afraid of nothing.
Yeah, go with it. I believe in that. I believe in that.
You mean?
People, I tell you, sir, it's a long, all the time, I apologize, so, but all the time, never please call me or something, me sick or something, I go, but at the right time, not the money time,
Me tell Vice what he said, nothing done before the time, no matter what you do.
Not money time, God of the people, God Almighty, done it.
And while we'll catch fish in the river, some will have females inside there going. Now, then how we'll catch fish? We'll catch fish, so. All right.
A fish in the water, I'm a fish I catch.
All right, I see my rod here. You'll catch a fish today, so stay tuned to that, my people. So today, we are here to catch fish. We have Jamaica Adventures, we have Corky Outdoor Living, and we have Jamaica Father and Son Lifestyle. God have mercy. And we are in the water, we have fish and we have some people that swim. I wonder how that will go. So if we don't catch them fish, we'll catch them fish there.
Yeah, married man.
Yeah, right. Alright, so we're going to see what I got, my people. So this is my rod, and the intention today is to catch the biggest fish that swim in this pan here. Alright, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, my people, and watch out. See water? Where the bait then, the Lord have mercy. Oh no, so I don't know if it, oh no, so I don't know them. I release that?
No, you can't fry.
What, you can fry?
What? Father son get a nice one there.
Yeah man, come Father and Son, come.
Come, your time,
Come Father and Son, come.
Outside on the coast catch.
Come no. You're going like you no one can come. I want like you no one people know so I catch a fish.
Outside man, but then know the first one this morning.
You see it.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna fry up this one now.
You see it.
Catch him?
I know, man, that's the thing there. Come catch. Go on. I pull it already, brother. Jesus, everybody's catch one. We're not catching it. You catch him, man. Jesus, first. He can't get some release.
Is this a release?
No, man, I work with him, man. Very fat, man. You're not release nothing right now. That's going to our belly.
Oh,
Belly. Are you first catch, brother?
All right.
That's it, man. That's it, man. Yeah, man. For real.
So this is my second catch. Should I keep this one? Should I keep this one, Father and Son? I keep him?
Oh, keep.
Alright. So we get the second one with this. They must say me have to go jump off. They say if me not catch them, I have to go jump off and catch it with my mouth. No, me catch one with my rod. No joke.
Food.
How you mean? Food
is a food. Food.
Catch that, never bless.
One family go on. They don't go. One father and son. And ever bless trouble. Trouble some fish today. Amen.
Fishing fat.
Trouble some fish today.
Trouble today, man.
Trouble some fish.
Okay. If you throw you out and hook on you.
Nah, man.
Soon.
This market style with the whole away and make it nice. We know good fun that.
Stick him up.
Hey, man.
Oh, man.
Hey, man. This man.
Ever bless.
Stick him up. Fuck.
Alright.
You see now, you say you can't lose that, brother. Ever blessed. You say to them, not pulling out that today. Remember that.
Right, yeah man, see the second one here there, guys. Yeah man, but run put it enough. Yeah man, see that?
What you look, man? Turn on the camera for me. Wait. Turn on the camera for me.
Turn on the camera.
Yes, the camera.
Hold on the guys, hold on the guys.
Come with something nice, come with something nice.
It's a road, 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 it's a road. Oh, yeah, bless. Yeah, what a fat one. Take him up, take him up.
Take him up.
Take up a line, take up a line.
Lucky. Watch your people. Ever bless. Nah, not hungry today.
Nah, not hungry.
We tell you something nice, man.
Yeah.
What you rod not really mean?
Kyle, a pin up a top one lock. Pan the wheel, the thing up a top.
Okay. Me the lucky already. Alright. One more upon them. Travel, I remember this catching fish.
Natural,
to save his life.
Yeah.
Kirky or you living. Who we match forward? Kirky or the half a catch it?
Yeah.
Half a catch it.
Yeah.
Half a catch it.
All right.
Half a catch it.
Yeah. So you say we catch you. So we are going to eat you. So where Maki say? Where Maki style say? You don't know Maki slang. They say you're in a shit.
They rich you.
You're rich you. No, catch you and cook you.
You know the body here go cook you.
Yeah, they're ready. Whoa.
Yeah.
You have to hold it.
Yes, man, trust me,
Yeah, man, you have to learn for yourself, man.
You see people? He might do good. Oh yeah.
Tell them, man.
He might do good.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least we not feel he not go dead for hungry today.
No.
He not go dead for
The
hungry.
man are going to eat food today.
I'm going to jump in and catch him.
What you say?
Me not go jump in the water and bite from me. I catch him with the hook. See? Alright.
Right, that's it, the man.
Alright, see there? Fish in the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see? It's a Kirky. He might come here today. He said today he get his 6K and it's a Kirky. He can check and call father and son and can mack them and roll it and fold them. But lifestyle, but you happy now, them depend on the Kirk end from them plan and reach. But the next time it's there, you know?
True.
Yeah, but I'm glad to say I'm happy in there today.
Yeah, man, you
got it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You see how full you. See there? See there? You see? Alright.
Right, that's it there.
Right, that's right. Appreciate you, my brother. So while we enjoy ourselves catching fish, yeah. See, you see that bucket with people? Alright, we have spectators. Yeah, on the sideline, I watch what I go on. Yeah, man. They must sit down and watch where I catch out the fish, my people. So stay tuned and look more. We're going with the self-flower script and we'll cook them and we'll heat them. Jamaica adventures.
Yeah, man, we outside.
Outside.
Teach
I
me to flower the fish.
Me know side teacher, man. Oh, you me. Hey, you come here, I see one fish jump out of the bucket a while ago.
What's that traveler? What's that traveler?
Oh,
I talk about traveler.
Yeah, that's what I thought
See that?
about. Alright, see it? Oh, you mean.
This is what I
Oh, you mean. Fish?
The fish are very small, but they're fat.
Yeah.
You understand? They're fat. And normally we catch big fish.
Yeah.
They're mager.
Yeah.
But this have more meat than a big fish.
Yeah, fish in the bucket.
Yeah. And then fish are kind of in this.
Yes. In the bucket. I walk one.
Holy. Oh, nice fish. Big fish.
Oh. I will catch my father and son.
Yes, I.
A hard J fish that.
Father,
How you mean a hard J fish?
RJ, fish coming for you.
How you mean?
Yes, my son.
No joke.
No joke about that. Go on, RJ.
No, you mean. No joke today.
Yeah, guys.
Me catch a shark. Oh, you mean? Ever bless worth something. No joke. See that, my people? Alright. You don't see that, my people? Ever bless worth something.
yes, my word, people.
Oh, you mean?
Yes.
Me pass the test, Kirky.
Kiss the fish.
You test him? Yeah. So he's kind of salty? Him salty?
In fresh.
Okay.
Yes, people.
Okay. It's not for me. In the box.
Who catch one? Something the pass up all right.
Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys.
Fish on.
Yes.
Yeah, and I would me up in fat.
Yeah. Yes. Small but fat.
Yeah. I have a good feast out of them today.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Some of people just remember, as I asked of you, to go across and support the fisher guys, the fisherman. Yeah. Him deserve because he want to teach everybody how to catch fish, right? So,
I'm not teacher though.
You're too jealous, man.
I mean,
You're too jealous, man.
You're jealous, eh?
You're too jealous.
All right.
You're
Me
too
not say me
jealous.
I can't along here again.
You're too jealous, man. Alright, father and son.
Yeah.
We're catching, we're working for food.
Working for food and it a work.
Alright.
It a work.
Alright.
Yeah, man, food.
Food I go eat.
Plate.
Food I go eat. In the bucket.
Fish on again.
Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Alright. It's a mampy. That is it. That is it. This guy is a fisherman, real fisherman.
Sean.
Fish on,
Crying
guys.
Chris.
Oh, you mean?
What's
Hey,
up?
he can get to no catch
He
him.
not get him, man. Him gone prison. Look.
Okay, in that prison.
Yeah, look.
He lock in between that.
Lock in between this.
Oh.
Only way he can get rid of unless we hold him back.
Okay.
And then give a nasty joke in there.
Okay, okay.
But if you hold there.
Oh yeah.
Fish on.
Fish on, guys.
Take him up.
Alright. That is it. Some people where we catch fish, the same pond that we're catching fish. These people are swimming. Yeah. Nice adventures today. So ever bless us. Harvest a few fish from this spot of ground. Really happy about it. Not the first time catching fish. But I'm a rookie here. So I'm kind of jealous of these guys getting into the water. Every time they come home, I see them full of smile. So I know they might enjoy themselves. And I'm gonna jump in later on. Not right now though. After food eat. Now I'm jumping in the water and no hungry belly. Yeah. So enjoy yourself, Princess, with me and you, right? Yeah. Yeah, man. Then take a chuck out of me. Say, can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim, Princess? You know, so if you come, you're serious like a judge. You can sit down side of you and see what. Yeah? Can you sit down side of you? You don't want to company either. Please, oh, you mean go, girl? Yeah. Enjoy water. It's a summertime. Summer people, this is the spot of ground for you. Enjoy yourself in the summer. Time get hot, you know. So cool off your body, Princess.